It's just 7:30 a.m. folks, and you can see the structures being formed here now again with these aircraft. You can see the star blinking on and off here. You can see the aircraft, light flashing in the distance. You see this aircraft here. As we come down to where the sun is due up here, you can see the disaster, the foul up already in position, folks. Look at it. Sun's due up there through the tree line, and as it makes its ascent, I hope you can feel my lament. And there are planes leaving many stains here, folks. And for now, with that shot, I kid you not, it's just 7:30 a.m. folks. Look at all them lines. Look at them all. And it's the trajectory of the sun that's due up just through the tree line here, where you can see this barrage of nonsense. And it's right across the entire UK, folks, they spray. I kid you not.